So here's Ethan. He's going to try green beans for the first time. Open up. Oh my. Is it good? Is it good? Let's try it again. Oh goodness. Let's try it again. Look over here. Is that good? Is the green beans good? Yummy. Is that yummy? It doesn't smell very yummy. Let's try it again. Good boy. Do you like these? This is a new taste. Let's try it again. Is that good? Is that good? Let's try them some more. Look, here we go. Ethan. Do you like them? Are they good? You spitting them out? What was that? Okay, here's some more. Good boy. Well, you seem to like them all right. Here's some more beans. Yay, Ethan, good boy. Let's turn off the camera now.